Uzak durdu, batım şapmadı. Buruluşta şok atmadı. Kındırallar dağı, ufa uranların şaşkelerge kunep bulamadı. Şaşkelerge kunep bulmadı. Uzak durdu, batım şapmadı.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today will be some vlog about the place where I was living. This is a little not village but countryside in Russia, in the central part of Russia, and you know, I'm on vacation now, and yeah, hello. This is my dog. His name is Druzhok. If we just try to translate the name, his name from Russia to English, this will be like friends. Yeah, this is the friends. Say hi. Yeah, this is my dog. I adopted him almost 2 years ago. I found him in the street when he was a puppy, and yeah, and since that time he was living with me. Yeah, and now you know, today is spring, when we wanted to plan a lot of the plan a lot of the plan, I don't know how to say. And today, right now, the some truck bring me some neutral soil. I don't know how to say in English, but you will see. Stop! 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 Okay, this is yeah, this is a nutrient soil, I think. Yeah, and you know, I just wanted to show you that some bad things. Look at this. This is he catch it when he tried to go back, and yeah, I have to extra work. And yeah, we have a agreement with him that he just buy some piece of shit, and I will repair by myself. What are you doing? Druzhok, stop it. Дружок. Дружок. Good. Good dog. Good dog. Okay. Yeah. I have extra work, and now we are gonna to move all of this pile from this place to this place, and I would like to create the two special pile. And I don't know how it pronounced in English, but in Russia it's like a gratka. Maybe I will find the translation, and yeah, I will show you. But now we should remove all of these timbers, all over these trees from this place to my banya. This is the banya. Yeah. Yeah, I will show you a little bit later. Дружок, what are you doing? Дружок. Hey. Hey. Дружок. Дружок. Come here. Come. Just to demolish completely. Yeah. And I just this one and this one.
Вот, ты зачем снимаешь?
Димар попросил.
Что?
I've done it. Yeah. Yeah. That's it, right? I should. Yeah, guys, just one remark. I would like to say this shit, but this shit, and you should to know that distinguish between two things: the shit is a piece of metal. Yeah, like this piece of metal, but shit, it's like yeah, something like this, and you should to know this. Okay, now I'm gonna to create two patch. I found out this word because recently I've used Russian word gratka, but translation in English will be patch, and I'm gonna create two patch here and here, and now we'll be use manure. Recently I've revised this word. This is not nutrient soil, this will be manure, and yeah, I'm gonna to do it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I've done it. This pile, yeah, will completely finished. Yeah, and I will transfer all of this for this one. Yeah, yeah, a little bit later, maybe in 2 weeks or 1 month, we will grow here the cucumber. I don't remember how it calls. Long green vegetables. Yeah, I will post the picture here in translation because I just forget this word. Yeah, and today I think I went because I'm a little bit tired, and now I'm gonna to create a fire and hot my banya, like a sauna, and yeah, a little bit rest because now it's evening, and yeah, tomorrow I'll continue on my job. Дружок, say bye. Say bye everyone. Say bye everyone. Hey, come here. Hey. Okay. Thank you for watching me, and subscribe me if you like it, please. Okay, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and write something in the comment below because I'm curious what's your opinion about my job, about my little home, and not my home, but home my mom, and the home where I grew up. Thank you and goodbye.
Çiçeklerinin indiği yok, tuğan yak, huş isili vallı güllü, tuğan yak, bu yaklarga bir qaydada, tuğan yak, hiç dinler bulmaz tüslü, tuğan yak, talpana kunel, talpana aşkına, yarsuğuna tuzgına, Ayınlıkta jilet pişken, tiz urilip üzgünler.